The OSI model, an overview. The Open Systems Interconnection, OSI, reference model has served as the most basic elements of computer networking since the inception in 1984. The OSI reference model is based on a proposal developed by the International Standards Organization, ISO. The original objective of the OSI model was to provide a set of design standards for equipment manufacturers so they could communicate with each other. The OSI model defines a hierarchical architecture that logically partitions the functions required to support system-to-system communication. The OSI model has 7 layers, each of which has a different level of abstraction and performs a well-defined function. The principles that were applied to arrive at the 7 layers are as follows. A layer should be created where a different level of abstraction is needed. Each layer should perform a well-defined function. The function of each layer should be chosen with an eye toward defining internationally standardized protocols. The layer boundaries should be chosen to minimize the information flow across the interfaces. The number of layers should be large enough that distinct functions need not be thrown together in the same layer out of necessary, and small enough that the architecture does not become unwieldy. The layered approach offers several advantages. By separating networking functions into logical smaller pieces, network problems can more easily be solved through a divide-and-conquer methodology. OSI layers also allow extensibility. New protocols and other network services are generally easier to add to a layered architecture. The 7 OSI layers are defined as follows. 7 Application provides different services to the application. 6 Presentation converts the information. 5 Session handles problems which are not communication issues. 4 Transport provides end-to-end communication control. 3 Network routes the information in the network. 2 Data Link provides error control. 1 Physical connects the entity to the transmission media. An acronym used to help remember the model from bottom to top is Please Do Not Throw Sausage Pizza Away. From top down, the all people seem to need data processing acronym can be utilized. The application, presentation, and session layers comprise the upper layers of the OSI model. Software in these layers performs application-specific functions like data formatting, encryption, and connection management. The transport, network, data link, and physical layers comprise the lower layers, which provide more primitive network-specific functions like routing, addressing, and flow controls.